Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday 2nd of May, and I think a new vlog because I don't think I've done an intro. So if it is a intro, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm currently sitting on the couch relaxing with these dogs. I've turned into like a human bed. First of all, how is that comfy with your head hanging off there? Don't know. Macy's right there, and then Oliver's right there licking my hand right now. Obviously, my hand is tasty. I thought I would do a quick check-in. I don't think I did a check-in yesterday because it was pretty full on. I did some tidying up of the house. I went to the shops. I had lunch with the mother-in-law at the shops as well. What else did we do? She took the dogs for a walk for me. And yeah, I did my pantry yesterday. So basically what I did was I went through my pantry and my coffee nook and I got rid of anything that was out of date or anything that we're not using. And it was actually a massive eye-opener. I've learned that I have an extremely bad habit of not using stuff if I don't see it. So if it's not at the front, like if it's hidden behind something, then it's just like not there to me. So I actually had like multiple things that, multiples of multiples even, that I had opened but then not used because it was pushed behind stuff, and therefore it went out of date. So yeah, there was a lot of items that had to go because it's out of date. She really shocked me how much was out of date. So yeah, that was a lot of money wasted, so I really need to do better with that. Tomorrow on Wednesday, I actually have the mother-in-law and two friends coming, and we're going to do a giant last packing day of packing the kitchen. So we're just keeping out the bare necessities in each room. So this is the last room to sort of tackle now. So yeah, I didn't want to pack anything that's out of date or things that we're not going to use or anything like that. So yeah, I wanted to get that done before we did the packing day.
The Nile is a river in Egypt. Your husband is gay. Oh, Mickey is so fine. Mickey is so fine. So fine, so fine, my mom. I put my arm around, show you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable today.
Hey guys, quick check-in. It's actually Friday 5th of May right now. I've just finished my third swim in a row. Did Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. So I'm feeling a bit exhausted. Yesterday after swimming I had zero energy at all. I didn't sleep the night before because Morgan wasn't well. So yeah, I basically just did house chores yesterday. But I'm about to just go have brunch with my friend that I swim with, do a spot of shopping with her, and then head home when I've got the cleaners. And then I'm hoping to film this afternoon because I really need to wash my hair. It's been a week, so yeah, it needs to be washed, but I was waiting until I finished swimming for the week before washing it. But yeah, I thought I'd do a quick check-in and let you guys know that I'm alive and everything. I've just been really busy with everything going on. I will try to do a quick check-in later because I need to update you on what's happening on Monday. So yeah, I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Sunday 6th of May right now. I'm just in my car, just warming up the car a little bit because it's freezing here today. I think we've got a storm coming because they said that we could reach 0 degrees Celsius. I'll put the conversion on the screen for you for Fahrenheit this weekend or Monday, which is like really cold for us because we're used to, you know, like 110, 115, 120 Fahrenheit weather. So that's like 40 degrees plus Celsius. So yeah, we're used to really hot weather. So yeah, for it to get to like 0 degrees Celsius is a massive change for us. I'm just ducking out to the shops. I need to grab Morgan some items. So I don't think I've actually updated you guys, but on Monday is my pre-op appointment. But Morgan is actually also having a procedure as well. We've been having a bit of a health scare with him over the last 2 months or so. And due to his family history, we are having to have it looked at internally to make sure that nothing sinister is going on. So he's actually on the white diet right now, and tomorrow he is fasting and doing bowel prep for the procedure on Monday. I had a really lazy day today because I have been absolutely shattered. I've been really working my butt off, doing a lot of stuff this last few weeks, and I do have an exciting update for you guys in next week's vlog. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Make sure you subscribe and check that out next week. So it will be the next vlog that's uploaded after this one, when you guys get to find out exactly what's been happening and yeah, why I've been so busy and everything. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go get the stuff from Morgan before the shops close, and I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome to Sunday 7th of May. I thought I'd do a quick check-in. I didn't get a chance to film yesterday or the day before that. So I took today to film. So I just filmed 2 plus size clothing videos and did my makeup. I filmed that as a tutorial as well. I just did this purple look. I'm not a fan of purple. I don't normally wear purple, but I still have to do purple looks for every now and then. So yeah, I thought I'd do a purple look. Not really much to check in on. Morgan's drinking that solution now. So he's not enjoying it. He's fasted all day so far. It's 5 p.m. right now. So I'm about to go have some lunch I'm about to go have some dinner near him, and he's not going to be impressed with that, but I still gotta eat even if he can't today. And he always eats next to me when I can't eat, so he's getting his just desserts. But yeah, I really don't have anything else going on this afternoon or tonight, so I'm gonna end out the vlog here. And yeah, I am going to see you guys in next week's vlog. Next week's vlog is going to be quite big. Lots of things going on, so I'm excited for next week's vlog, but I didn't want to ruin the surprise, so I'm going to keep it until next week. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to chat to you guys later, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out, and if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching guys. Bye!